Oh, hello guys, welcome to Jack of Trades, and today we are unboxing this Apple worth 76,000. Yeah, actually we are unboxing this Apple worth 76,000. As you guys saw in the thumbnail, this is the product we are unboxing today. No guys, I'm just joking. Today we are unboxing the latest and greatest, the Coral version of the iPhone XR worth 76,900, as Apple calls it, the budget iPhone. So let's get started and let's unbox this product. So let's unbox this budget iPhone, like Apple calls it, the Coral version of the Apple XR. So let's unbox it. This is the box. As you guys can see, the usual iPhone box. And on top it says designed by Apple in California. And here is the phone. As you guys can see, the Coral version. It's peach-like color. So let me just turn on the phone. Yeah, so if you peel the plastic of this phone, there you go. This is the plastic that it comes with. So let's keep the phone aside now and let's see what else we get in the box apart from the phone. So this is the usual 5-watt charger that Apple gives you. It's a slow charger as a matter of fact. The phone supports fast charging, but the charger doesn't. And the usual earpods with the lightning port. You need the dongle with this, but then Apple has stopped providing the dongle now, so you need to get that separately if you want to use it. And also we have the lightning to micro USB cable for slow charging. So now talking about this phone, this is the brand new iPhone XR, the 64 GB version, the Coral version with a single camera setup. So talking about the specifications, this has the 6.1 inches IPS LCD. The screen to body ratio is 19:5:9. The processor is the brand new processor, the 12 Bionic chip, along with 6 cores or hexa cores. And this has the latest version of the Face ID, and this supports wireless charging, and this is waterproof. This has got IP67 rating, and the battery is of 2942 milliampere. The rear camera is of 12 megapixels, which comes with OIS, and it has aperture of 1.8, and the front camera is of 7 megapixels, and the pixel per inch is 326. So let me just boot up the phone and let's check out the phone now. So I have booted the phone up. This is how the screen looks, the iPhone XR. Even though the resolution is less than the XS and the XS Max, it's good, I must say. This is the This has got the IPS LCD and the screen resolution is also less. But I don't think I feel difference. Even though if you look at the numbers and if you compare them side by side, you will obviously feel a difference. So this is the brand new iPhone XR. As you guys can see, it looks very cool with this color, and also this has got different 6 different colors. This has the single camera setup, and I guess it's enough. It's just good enough, the camera, even though it's a single setup. And this has this bezel, as you guys can see. It's a bit big in my opinion, but yeah, this is what it is. So this is the budget iPhone, as Apple says, the iPhone XR. So that's all, guys. That's all from my end. This is Anil signing off. Ciao.
Lost myself in your city night.